In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design your very own mug using the free online design tool from Infowerk and get it printed with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, we head over to the Infowerk Design Tool homepage. From here, we select mugs from the product categories. You can browse ready-made templates or start from scratch. In this case, we'll start with a blank design. This brings us into the online design editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see the toolbox. First, we configure the product. We choose the enamel mug, which has that beautiful vintage look. Next, we upload an image, our Metsahasi logo in this case. Now we add a name underneath. Click the text tool and type into the box. You can move it, resize it, and center it under the logo. To see what your finished mug will look like, just click the 3D preview button. Nice, right? Back in the order panel, choose how many mugs you'd like. The price updates automatically and includes shipping and VAT. At checkout, you can also enter my coupon code to save 5% on your order. Then just hit order, and your custom mug will be shipped straight to your door. That's it. Fast, easy, and fun.